sounds so cool when it echoes off all the hills here. See if I can get further back a little bit. Whoa. Yeah, I think today might be the Day of Independence. Maybe yeah, it's just the last firework thing was like an early one, and now because the curfew's lifted, they're doing the actual one. So this is a lot more fireworks than there was before. Oh, there we go. Whoa, these are actually massive. You can hear the crack of them when they blow up. Bigger than ones I've seen in Manchester, definitely. I think these are shells, they shoot off into like a big cannon thing. They're like pretty big. They're not like rockets. I don't know if you see them searchlight, spotlight things they've put there. It's a shame there's a curfew now, because I'd go and like stand near the castle and watch it. That's all going on at the castle. There's the Temple of Hercules and the castle's all along there. Oh, here we go. Can hear them going up. Whoa! Bloody hell, they're massive. Man, Amman Citadel, Jabal Al Ghalta. That's the place to be. Forget all the other areas. This is where all the fun happens. Oh, they're shooting them up again. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, that was big. Looks so cool how they've lit up the Colosseum. Go on, shoot some more off. Some spotlight thing going all around the mountain. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah. I reckon when all the coronavirus stuff goes and all the restrictions go, like curfews and that, I reckon they should do a really big firework display. That would be really, you know, quite the celebration. I mean, it's worth celebrating, definitely. Just all that spotlight stuff now. I don't know where the fireworks are at. They might be doing some more, because I think because they're massive shells, like it's like the size of a watermelon or something. Like they put it in like a cannon and shoot it up. Maybe they're just like reloading it or something. or it's finished. Not a clue. It's really weird, those lights. Yeah, I was just pretty much sat inside my house then on my phone and that, and then I thought a war was going off. Like, there was these really massive explosions going off, and it was these fireworks. I was like, whoa, quick, get my camera, I've got to video it. I think we're all done for now. What's that light over there?